In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive chat on WhatsApp. So first of all, on your iOS or Android device, open WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. For example, that way, and select any of contact to archive. For example, this one, and press and hold. And as you can see here, showing multiple icon, and tap here this arrow down key in the box, tap on, and this person go to archive list. If I unarchive again, that person tap on archive it here, then you can see this person for unarchive, tap and hold, and as you can see here showing two type of icon, one for delete, another for unarchiving. So tap here and this person contact goes to unarchived list. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.